Hi everyone, welcome back to LG Queen Home Decor. I'm so excited fall is officially here, you guys. I'm already enjoying the cooler weather that it motivated me to give my living room and outdoor patio a fall refresh. I'm starting off by picking up things on the floor and vacuuming to remove this rug and switch it out for another rug. I wanted to wait and share some exciting content coming soon, however I just have to let you guys know that I'm going to be giving this living room a makeover. This rug is a sneak peek and I can't wait to share the full reveal. I'm just waiting on the furniture to arrive and then I'll share in a video soon. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and have the bell notification turned on, that way you're notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you Ruggable Rugs for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with this company, let me tell you and show you how amazing Ruggable Rugs is. They sell machine washable rugs that are spill and stain resistant, non-slip, safe for babies and pets. I'm a mom to 2 little ones and spills are going to happen like you saw in my previous rug. What I love about Ruggable Rugs is that they offer rugs that can be washed and put right into your washing machine. The first layer is a non-slip mat that goes down first and then the rug velcros on top. It's super easy to attach on and take off. They have many beautiful designs and sizes to choose from. I picked out 3 Ruggable rugs to place in and out of my home. The first one here is called the Granite Ombre Light Gray in size 9x12. As soon as I saw this print, I knew it was going to look perfect in this living room because I wanted to brighten the space up and this rug definitely did that. The second rug is a runner called Cavi Mosaic Stone Rug in the size 2.5 feet by 10 feet. The entryway needed a high traffic rug and this was perfect for the space. I love how long the runner is and the quality of these rugs is absolutely amazing. After hearing all of this, I'm sure you guys are going to want to pick out rugs for many rooms in your home like I did. I highly recommend adding Ruggable rugs in your home because they're a total must-have, you guys. Click the link in my description box to check out all of the beautiful Ruggable rugs and use code FUNLGQueen10 for 10% off your entire purchase. This third one is the Outdoor Lazetta Gray Rug size 8x10. This is a really stunning piece, you guys, and it makes my heart so happy because my rugs are machine washable. Here's how my patio space turned out, you guys. It's super cozy, warm, and welcoming. I love the way the ruggable rug looks here, and I wanted to mention that these rugs are also amazing to take on the go. For example, we have another ruggable rug that we take to the park and lay out to have picnics. It's a way we spend time together as a family and enjoy having a comfortable rug that fits our family. When it's dirty, I just pop it in the washer and let it air dry outside. Make sure to check out Ruggable Rugs, the link is in my description box. This concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed my fall living room decor and outdoor fall decor, you guys. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you so much for being here. Take care.